Hello, I'm Mark Porcella, and I'm going to demonstrate the new app I built called Paths. Paths is primarily useful in building paths for walking, running, or cycling. It allows you to build a route with precise distance by dropping turn point locations on a map utilizing an intuitive interface. You can then have the app give you navigation directions. When you open the app, it will ask to use your location while the app is in use. This is necessary for navigation. Your location information never leaves your device, and Paths never saves your location data. Path's default is to give you walking directions. It's very easy to create your first path. Pan the map to place the center button at your start location. Generally, you'll use your current location, but that is not required. Press the button labeled Press. Pan the map towards your first turn point. I'm deployed to Romania right now, so the road names will be funny, but it also shows that Paths works everywhere. Note the red bird's eye view line and the distance label. Stop panning the map, and the app calculates a route and gives you a preview. If this isn't quite what you're looking for, pan the map again. If you like this preview, press the button labeled Press and you've dropped your first turn point. As a rule, for best navigation results, don't place turn points directly at intersections. Note the red alternate route that shows up. Tap that red line to select it as your path. If you're planning a path that isn't in Apple Maps database, this is how you get paths to give you direct distances. I'm not going to do that, so I'll tap the original path to select that. Note the upper left corner shows the total distance. I can continue to build the path in the same way. If there is a specific point of interest you want to use as a turn point, press Search and a text box drops into view. Search Apple's servers for the location, and the app drops location pins at those locations. Pan the map to get the center button close, and the app sticks to the pin just like other turn points. Press the Press button to drop a turn point at the searched for location. You can move a turn point by centering the map over that turn point and pressing the button Move that appears. Press the Place button to place that turn point. You can also delete a turn point by pressing the Delete button. You can link a path back to any turn point, and when you link the path back to the starting turn point, it will prompt you to save. If you're going to use this route multiple times, it's probably best to save it. Saving a path uses very little memory. I'm not going to save it using the alert just so I can show you the menu options. You can save from the menu at any point. Press the menu button, press Save. Name the path, press Save. It will take you to all the routes you've previously saved, sorted by the time you last accessed that route. You can delete a route by pressing the X, or navigate a route by pressing either walking icon next to the route or the driving icon next to the route. I'm going to press the pencil, which will allow me to edit the previous route I just built. I have full access to change the route, save over the route, or save it as a new route. At any point building the app, you can select Navigate by pressing the Start button. If you are not at the start point, it will ask if you want directions to the start point included. When navigating the map, we'll always keep your location centered. If you want to see the entire route, zoom out with the pinch motion. If you want to skip a portion of the path, select the red dot indicating the step along the path and press the green button from the pop-up menu that appears. The app will continue to give you correct directions for your path after you press that turn point. I'm not going to do that or navigate at this point. When you're done navigating, press the Close button. To clear the route, press the Clear button. I'm going to keep this path, so I'm not deleting. To create a path with driving directions, press the button that says Drive. You can see that you're in driving mode by the icon and the Start button changing to a car. Now when you drop pins, the app will generally give you multiple options for driving. You can select alternate routes by pressing them, just like the direct routes. And note that the total distance changes while you are selecting the alternate routes. To change the map type, select the Map Type button, and now you'll get the preview of a satellite view. Thanks for watching. I hope you find Paths useful. Please rate it and share it with your friends. While searching the App Store, use Paths with a period at the end of it, and that should bring it up fairly quickly. You might have to scroll a little bit to find it. Thank you.